Hello everyone, Millie Gill with Ball Real Estate Group. It is Sunday afternoon and I am doing open house out in VITALIA. We are in Tradition area, Port St. Lucie, Florida. I will take you on a quick tour of this property. This is the outside. It's a beautiful, amazing 3 full bedrooms plus den plus 3 full bathrooms plus saltwater solar heated pool. Everything imaginable in this property. So let's go in, show you around. Any questions, please call me, text me, 772-224-1634. So here is the entry to the property. They're screened. If you have a pet, works really handy. Or if you just simply want to leave it your front door open. This is how we do things today and before as well. We got booties to go in. We got face mask, hand sanitizer. So this is the hallway. Den slash office. Or you can make it into a 4th bedroom. You got 2 solid doors. No closet, but it's a very nice spacious den area. Here to your right, you have the 3rd bedroom. Full bathroom. Linen closet. And here's the beautiful open floor plan for this property. Nice large island. Isn't this amazing? Breakfast area. I'll stand at this angle so you can see. A little different from this end. Laundry room. Additional area for your computer or just for anything else you like. We have extended garage, 4 feet. Now we'll take you in one of the master bedrooms. We have 2 master bedrooms in this property, both facing the pool. Private commode. Second master bedroom. Closet. Nice shower. As we exit to the patio, nice television with sound bar. Staying with the property, you've got the shutters for those hurricane days, just to bring your furniture in. This property has impact glass throughout. Large, quiet, private exterior back with a beautiful pool. Any questions? Please, again, contact me, 772-224-1634. This property is in Vitalia, 55 plus community, Port St. Lucie, Florida. I look forward to answering all your questions. Thank you so much.